Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a GIF in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the Squarespace site you want to add a GIF file on. Go to Pages. Select the page you want to add or work on. I will work on this about page, for example. Click on this edit button from the top to go into the editing mode. As you can see, now I can grab or select elements of my page first, or let's delete this PDF file. Select a section first, click on add block, select this image block, then click on this plus icon. Go with upload file to select it from your computer. This is my GIF file. Double click it and it will start uploading to Squarespace. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. As now that my GIF file is uploaded to Squarespace, you can update it just like that. Don't forget to click on this save button on this corner, then exit your editing mode to go into the preview mode. Now this is your page live, and this is how to add a GIF image in Squarespace.